It's Christmas time and you may have an electric car in your driveway, but have you got a present sorted for your kids? Well, do I have the ultimate Christmas present in store? Check this out. And this is it, and this is Leo. Leo, what on earth are we looking at here?
This is a Tesla CyberQuad ATV kids version.
This has got to be the ultimate Christmas present, surely. Can we open up the box?
Yes, of course.
All right,
Go
this
ahead.
is the grand unboxing. Oh wow, we get accessories as well, or is this just your breakfast?
Yeah, right. That's the Cyber Cup.
A cyber cup.
Cyber opener
Okay, right.
and a Cyber spoon.
Okay, I have to look at the cyber spoon. You can't be serious, look at that. Have you tried eating with this? Looks uncomfortable.
Yeah, I got one for you.
Oh, you got one for me?
Yeah.
This is cool.
Yeah, I got one for you as well.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm getting free gifts here. This is a Christmas for me.
Christmas, yes, you come in the right time.
All right, let me put Santa's gifts over here. Apparently this is a kid's toy, but I might have a go at trying to fit myself on it as well. All right, here we go. The grand unveiling. We're going to open her up. Okay, so Leo, I got to ask, where did you get this thing from?
China.
China, okay.
Apparently, they only sell this in China and the States.
All right, and while I'm struggling with this box here, what do you guys actually do here at Tesseries?
Yes, we sell Tesla aftermarket accessories.
Oh, yeah?
And aftermarket accessories for all sorts of EVs.
Oh yeah, okay, so not just Tesla stuff.
Not just Teslas, also BYDs, MGs, Kia, and Hyundai.
Gosh, business has got to be booming now,
Yeah,
surely.
it is.
All right, oh, well, this is it. Far out. This is a bit of cool tech. Oh man, this is wicked. What now?
Cut! Okay.
Yeah, cut the cameras.
Lift this up, lift it up. We stand on each side and then we lift it up.
Oh, I see. Okay. Ready?
Okay, and we put this to the back.
Oh, am I following you? Oh, okay.
This here.
Okay.
What?
Gosh, it's
What's
a
wrong
heavy
with-
sucker, isn't it?
It is like, I don't know. 30,
How heavy is this thing, do you think?
30, 40 kilos maybe?
Check that out. It's a Tesla CyberQuad. So this is a legit, actual licensed from Tesla machine.
Yes, as you can see, the
So it's got the Tesla logo on it.
Yeah, product numbers and barcodes and everything from Tesla.
So it's not Tesla with 2 L's or anything. It is actually legit Tesla. This is insane. All right, let's open her up. Oh, look at that. It's got chunky rubber tires as well. All right, so supposedly the top speed is about 15 miles an hour. Unfortunately, I don't speak Roman Catholic, so I'm guessing that's about 24 kilometers an hour. But if I can fit on this, we're going to take it for a blast and see if I can get it up to its top speed without dying. Okay, so what's going on at the back here? It's got disc brakes. It looks like a solid single piece rear axle. There's no diff or anything. The front suspension looks non-existent, but it's got a nice soft padded seat, so we should be all right. That's it. So there's not really much assembly required, is there? You just take it out of the box. That's the next question. How do we take it out of the box?
Should we just cut it open?
It's adorable, isn't it? It's got little fins and everything. Okay, so it's got some instructions here. They're multilingual, so it's got inflate tires to 20 PSI. Actually, that feels pretty close to it already. And that's pretty much it. Turn it on. That's got to be the throttle. That's got to be forwards and reverse.
The speed selector.
Here we go. Maximum weight 50 kilograms. That might be me out. Last time I checked, I'm 70 kilograms. First of all, how do we turn it on? Okay, so we've got it unboxed. It's looking good. There's an on switch at the back. Okay, right. So we've got, I'm guessing that's battery indicator. Oh, look at that, fully charged. We've got the on-off button. What is that? Let's check. That is the adjust the speed setting. First, remove the cover. So it's on speed setting 1. Aha. There goes the screwdriver. It's with the Lord now. Okay, all right. It's back. Thank you. Definitely, we're going to adjust the speed setting. We're going to crank this thing up. Leo, do you know what the battery capacity is on the CyberQuad?
Actually, I don't know.
All right, I'm sure someone on the internet will tell us. But I can't imagine it's going to cost more than a few cents to recharge, which is a good excuse for me to say, hey, if you have a house with electricity or a business, why not sign up to Ecotricity. It's New Zealand's only certified climate positive electricity provider. That means rather than just give your kids this wicked Christmas present, give them the future as well. Get climate positive electricity to your house. Ecotricity.co.nz. How was that for a segue? That's not a bad plug. Okay, let's put the cover back on this thing and give it a blast. I'm excited, man. I've been this excited since Christmas. So once this is all set up and tested, what's happening to it? Are you gonna give it to a gift for the kids, or gonna give it away or sell it, or what? Any idea?
I'm not quite sure yet.
Not sure?
Probably just leave it as a show car.
Oh, this could be your company car.
Yes, for our lunch break.
Company car. This is great. Is there a cafe somewhere near
Yes,
here?
run down to the cafe.
There you go. So let's check this out. We've got disc brakes. We've got looks like a one-piece diff. We've got a single individual spring and shock absorber here as well. It's got a control for the brake here on the left. We've got what I assume that is the throttle there. That's forward and reverse. I mean, it's easy. I mean, that's electric for you. It's so simple. It just works. It's not like combustion where you've got to prime it and die of cancer and all that stuff. This just works. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
We're going to turn it on. Brace yourselves.
Oh, it's on now.
Oh, I've got to hold it for a second.
Okay.
Hold the button for
Safety
1 second.
feature. Ooh,
Do I dare put my enormous mass on this thing? All right. It's a rectangular seat, but it doesn't feel like it. It actually feels quite comfortable. Yeah. So how much does one of these things cost?
I think I pay around 3,000 New Zealand dollar.
So it's about $3,000, huh?
Yeah.
$3,000. But what a wicked toy. So this costs more than my car. I'm going to just try it going forwards a little. Here we go. The moment of truth. Oh, it freaking works. Okay, backwards, without going into the wall. Taking out the cameras. It just works. Okay, we've got to take this outside. This is wicked. Okay, so I see on the side there it's got 21.6 volts.
0.3 kilowatts, 300 watt.
300 watts, okay. Here we go.
Go ahead,
Okay,
ramp it up.
crack into it. We're off. Oh, far out. Oh, I'm gonna die. Okay.
Is that the max speed?
I think this is maximum speed. I think this is as fast as it goes. I'm gonna take the day off to get to work. All right, I'm gonna launch this thing on the grass. Let's test its off-roading ability. Oh. Oh, far out. Oh God, it works. It works. Oh, this is the ultimate toy, seriously. This thing's solid. And there you have it. That is the Tesla CyberQuad. One of the coolest gift ideas I've seen for kids and adults. Yeah, we all ended up having a go. And after we'd ridden around the car park for a while and reenacted that scene from Titanic, Leo then translated the official rules on the side of the ATV, and it looks like we've broken every single one of them. But it's obviously a solidly made toy because it took everything we could give it. So there you have it. That has got to be the coolest Christmas present I've ever thought of. If you've missed Christmas, don't worry, just get it for your kid's birthday. Otherwise, they're gonna absolutely love it.